YouTube. I wanted to do a quick video today on the unboxing of my new original Ronco Pocket Fisherman. I've never seen one before. This is the first time I've actually held a box like this in my hands, so this is new for me and you at the same time. Alright, so all the things, if you've ever looked at one of these online before, some of the things you might expect are on the box. No surprises here, but I am intrigued. I can't wait to get inside. I don't think this is available in the store. There's no visible, oh, there's a barcode. Yeah, this may be in the store. I've not seen one before, but I paid $15 for it on Amazon, and I don't think it's ever increased in price, even though this thing's got to be, oh, this product may be 30 years old, maybe older than that. Alright, here we go. Just going to go ahead and open the box here, see what we have. That's everything in the box. Alright, we're excited to see that. We'll put that off to the side for a moment. And here, some ideas on how to take care of your product. I don't know if I get to focus on that. Alright, in here we've got our warranty. This looks like some pretty helpful information. Oh wow. Yeah. How to tie your knots, checking the lines. If you've never gone fishing before, this may be very helpful, but some of this is redundant, maybe even silly if you're a fisherman already. The whole idea here is that this is a quick, easy thing if you'd like to go fishing without having to worry about a big fishing pole and all that. What I noticed on the box is that it says, go fishing today. So I'm expecting to see some of these products in there. Pretty much everything but the bait. However, there's some lures. Alright, here we are. Packaged in a little plastic, a little poly bag. There's one of the lures. There's the other lure. Little spinner. A spoon. All right. Here it is. Here is the Ronco fishing pole. Pocket Fisherman. Alright, so, just like that. So small I can get the whole thing in the entire frame here, even though my camera's just outside, just out off the table here. So you adjust your drag here. Alright. Alright, so here's your brake to drop the line release here. I guess I need to take that off. Yep, that's that. This is pretty smooth, first impression. Alright, now I've got a little built-in tackle box here. Let's see what we find inside. Oh, there's some more belongings. Ah, look at this. Sinker. And your bobber. And a lead. With a hook. So they're not kidding. This is everything you could need to go fishing right now. All you need is a pond or a lake or a stream or something. There we go. That's the Ronco, the original Ronco Pocket Fisherman. $15. And I cannot wait to go fishing. Alright, I hope you enjoyed. If you have any questions, I'll do an update soon and see if I can't have some good news to report on how awesome this thing is, but I have a good feeling. Alright, thank you very much. Happy fishing.